Hello, I'm Ann with Clinton Parkway Nursery, and today we're going to talk about weed killers. We're going to talk about the broadleaf weed killers. Okay, these kill things like dandelions, handbit, chickweed. They're not going to do grassy weeds like crabgrass, goosegrass, foxtail, those type of things. And these pretty much, not totally, but they're weeds that you find early in the spring on that. And early in the spring, just an FYI for you, early in the spring weeds actually germinated last fall. So it's stuff that's been through the winter. They're winter, they call them winter annuals. They like the winter. They come up in the spring, they bloom, they die, they're gone. So you have to watch temperatures on that. Some of these work very well at 70 degrees. Some of them work well. The weed-free zone works really well at 40 degrees on that, which this one won't work very well at 40 degrees. Both of these are just weed killers that control the weeds. They don't fertilize. They don't do anything like that. Okay. This one has, it's being technical, but it has carfenazone in it, which works very well on a lot of the tough weeds. Violet, spurge, and clover, it works very well on. So and this one actually is ready to spray. You hook it to your hose and spray on. It comes in concentrate. It comes in ready to use. Just squirt it on for if you only have a few. The broadleaf weed control in the granule needs to be put down when there's dew on the grass, when there's some moisture there, and so that it'll work. So it works best putting it down in the early morning. It also works best if you can get it when the weeds are actively growing, young on that. So early in the season. It needs to be put down. This one would be over the whole lawn or a section of lawn, let's say. If you had just a weed here and there, you can use the liquid or you can do the spot treat on that. Broadleaf weeds, not on new grass. If you planted grass last fall, you need to have mowed it 3 or 4 times before you put this down, but it doesn't have any fertilizer in it. Fertilome weed-free zone and Fertilome broadleaf weed control. Okay, thanks for listening. We're at the corner of Clinton Parkway and Wakarusa. Watch for the flowers on the roof.